एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आप जैसा कि देख रहे हैं मैं जयपुर में हूँ। मैं दहाड़ के शूट के लिए यहाँ पर आई हूँ एंड आई हैव बीन हियर फॉर द लास्ट 2 whole months, but I'm not complaining क्योंकि देखो मैं इतनी खूबसूरत जगह पे हूँ एंड आई थॉट व्हाई नॉट डू अ फैन फ्राइडे, ऐसे नेचर की गोद में बैठ के पिकनिक स्टाइल विथ माय लैपटॉप बाय माय साइड, बर्ड्स सिंगिंग, घास है सब जगह, there's greenery all around me and I'm in a great mood. So it's a good time to answer all your questions on Fan Friday episode 5. I'm very happy in this new setup of mine और मुझे बहुत मज़ा आएगा आज आई थिंक टू आंसर ऑल योर लवली क्वेश्चंस। शुरू करते हैं विद क्वेश्चन 1 and 2 जो मैंने कंबाइन किए हैं। पहला सवाल है फ्रॉम Trier B 7825. The question is, hello, what is your diet for the day? You have fabulous skin. Thank you. And the second question is from Afreen Sadiq. And her question is, सोना दी ड्राई स्किन है, ग्लो कैसे करे? प्लीज टेल मी आपका फेस इतना ग्लो कैसे करता है? थैंक यू अगेन। फर्स्टली तो आप लोग बहुत काइंड हो। I have actually started eating very healthy ever since I came here to जयपुर और मैं एक बहुत ही डिसिप्लिन्ड तरीके से खा रही हूँ which I think has really helped my skin. मेरा जो स्टेपल मील हो चुका है वो है very healthy. It's a very wholesome plate of food, less food, जो कि है 1 cup of millets, 1 cup of दाल, 1 cup of vegetables. I love सब्जी cooked in Indian style. तो कोई भी सब्जी हो, परवल हो, गवार हो, पत्ता गोभी हो, सिंगफली हो, I really enjoy having that सब्जी. And of course protein के लिए I have chicken tikka, 3 or 4 pieces maximum per meal. तो lunch में I'll have either 3 or 4 pieces and dinner में I'll have 3 or 4 pieces. Dinner में मैं क्या करने लग गई हूँ is that I've started eliminating the carbs and only having the chicken, दाल, सब्जी. So वो भी एक बहुत अच्छा पोर्शन बन जाता है. It's very filling and keeps me full for a very long time. I've stopped having sugar. I've stopped having maida, and I think that is also something that is really good for the skin. I can see a stark difference. So Afreen, आपने पूछा about my dry skin because you also have dry skin. It's a very common problem actually. What I've been doing is, of course, I've always been hydrating. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा पानी पीती हूँ. But I also have another thing which I've been doing and I've discovered very recently. The last 2-3 months में मैं ये product use कर रही हूँ and I think I should just show you. उठना पड़ेगा. उई. चलो आप मेरे साथ। दिस इज माई सीक्रेट वेपन। मैं इसे रोज सुबह उठ के और रोज रात को लगाती हूँ एंड माई स्किन जस्ट हैज अ ब्यूटिफुल ग्लो थ्रू आउट। इट्स रियली हेल्प विथ माई ड्राइनेस एंड आई थिंक आई मस्ट शो यू। And my latest secret weapon to combat dry skin is my Bioderma Atoderm Creme Ultra. I actually genuinely use a lot of Bioderma products like the Sensibio H2O makeup remover, lip balm, the Atoderm Creme Ultra which really helps me fight dry skin. जैसा कि आप जानते हैं मैं जयपुर में शूट कर रही हूँ पिछले 2 महीने से एंड यहाँ की गर्मी is like really dry heat और उससे मेरी स्किन और भी ज्यादा ड्राई हो चुकी थी। ये एक niacinamide based moisturizer है which is great for dry skin and I swear my nightly and my morning ritual has become just putting so much of this on my face. Immediately लगा के my skin is feeling so nourished and so supple. ये skin barrier को strengthen करने में help करता है and it's ideal for night repair, leaving my skin super soft and super nourished. And the best part is I can use this on my face and my body. So now you know the secret to my glowing and not so dry skin anymore. तो वापस चले हम? चलो. Can you see the instant glow on my skin right after putting the cream? I'm telling you, it works like magic. ज़्यादा मेहनत भी नहीं है, does the job perfectly well. Welcome back to my beautiful spot and let's move on to question number 2, which is from Lizan, Lizn 828. And Lizan पूछते हैं, it's a kind of longish one, so let me start. Hi Sonakshi, first of all, you look so pretty in this video. Looks like Korean beauty look really suits you. Sweet, thank you. My question for you is a genuine one, and I hope you respond even though it may be a tough question to answer. From following you here, I feel like you are a sweet person, but I get confused by those social media shares that talk about rude celebrity encounters, and you are one of the Bollywood names that commonly shows up there. Really? I didn't know that.
हंसदे चेहरे ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ
I always respond to reading this thinking that at the end of the day, you are all human and we have our bad days. Thank you for acknowledging that. And hey, maybe sometimes we do respond in a way that can be perceived as rude. Only difference is a common person action. Nobody is going and reporting about it versus celebrities. Everything is treated like hot cause. Also true. As a celebrity, how do you deal with these instances of being misunderstood, misrepresented by public opinion? Do you have any tips or advice for others in regard of being seen negatively sometimes when in public eye? ये एक बहुत ही deep सवाल है. And I'm going to try and answer it honestly the best I can. Okay. I think you got a couple of things right, which was that we are human and yes, we do sometimes get caught on a bad day. But आपको जो दिखता है ना हमेशा एक पहलू होता है. There are always two sides to a story. If I have come across as rude or if I've come across as something that you don't like, you don't know how the other person spoke to me or the other person reacted or the other person who's behind the camera, holding the camera, has behaved with me. So if I've reacted in a certain way, it has to be in response to an action. So always keep that in mind. Secondly, how do I perceive it now? You know, पहले मुझे बहुत affect होता था, but now I've reached a space where I'm okay with being myself. I'm okay with making mistakes. I'm okay if I come across as something to somebody because see, I'm responsible for my actions. I'm not responsible for how you feel about me or how anybody feels about me. So जो मेरे कंट्रोल में है मैं उसे कंट्रोल करूंगी और जो मेरे कंट्रोल में नहीं है मैं कोशिश भी नहीं करना चाहती. You know what I mean? So honestly, I could be the best human being in the whole world, but कोई कहाँ पे कई कोने में has seen something and is judging me based on that one particular small incident and all. So it's really not my problem. I will try my best to be the best person that I can. I feel I'm improving every single day. It's a work in progress. And honestly, nobody is perfect. So I don't even strive to be. I am happy being myself. I'm happy being authentic. I'm happy being asli. I'm happy making my mistakes. I'm happy learning from my mistakes. And if the people who love me, I'm very, very grateful for them. And who don't, it's okay. There's enough people who give me a lot of love. And yeah, I love myself too, so that's all that matters really. Let's move to question 3. Okay, question 3 is from Malaika-G5K and Malaika पूछ रही है My question for Fan Friday episode is that what is your and Zahir's dream destination? And अब तक आप जहाँ भी गए हो, which place do you like the most and want to go again? Lots of love. Lots of love right back at you, Malaika. And in fact, you won't believe मैं ज़हीर को बहुत ज़्यादा दिनों से कह रही हूँ कि मुझे फिनलैंड एंड नॉर्वे वापस जाना है, मुझे नॉर्दर्न लाइट्स वापस देखने हैं because it was really one of the most dreamiest and beautiful experiences of my life. हम लोग नॉर्वे में लैंड हुए थे. We went to Oslo, then we went to this very small town called Tromsø. वहाँ से और थोड़ा दूर गए हम to a place called Samarøy, which has only about 800 people. और वहाँ पर हमने नॉर्दर्न लाइट्स देखे. And ज़हीर had decided कि जब वो नॉर्दर्न लाइट्स देखेगा मेरे साथ, that's when he will propose to me, and he did propose to me that day. It was the 30th of December 2022 or it was the most beautiful moment of my entire life. It's just so memorable. और उस वक्त हमारे पास कोई वीडियोग्राफर, कोई फोटोग्राफर, कुछ नहीं था. सिर्फ मेरा एक ट्राइपॉड था, मेरा आईफोन था और उससे मैं फोटोज खींच रही थी सेल्फ टाइमर पे. Northern lights are like shining all around us and I've clicked the button and I've come and he's down on his knees and he's popped the question and I was like over the moon. Matlab, I can't even begin to explain my feelings. So yeah, I really want to go back there and experience that beautiful, beautiful vibe all over again. So I think this has been one of the best trips of both our lives. I can't wait to go back. Really. बोलो ना उसको यार लेके जाने मुझे. Okay, question 4 is... Okay, this question is from Urziba Vlogs and the question is, Hi Sonakshi, I admire how you always keep your makeup elegant and still look so natural. What is your one must-have makeup tip for girls who want a simple but classy look? I cannot stress on this enough. Less is more. Okay, I have been saying this since I started making my makeup vlogs. I feel कि कुछ लोगों को लगता है कि आप जितना ज़्यादा मेकअप लगाओ आप उतने ज़्यादा अच्छे लगोगे. I don't think that is true. I feel less is more. जितना आप कम यूज़ करो और जितना आपको ज़रूरत है उतना ही यूज़ करो. I think your job is done. Like you're sorted. I always feel कि आपकी natural beauty भी अंदर से दिखनी चाहिए. It shouldn't be covered entirely with makeup. So yeah, I think acceptance of how your skin is, how your skin color is, how you look, everything that plays a very big part in how you come across and your confidence. So I feel the more accepting you are of yourself, आपको automatically समझ में आ जाएगा कि आपको कितना makeup use करना चाहिए, कितना नहीं use करना चाहिए. So question 5 is from Mohammad Hassan -EI3LD. And Mohammad is asking me, firstly sending me lots of love. Thank you, Mohammad. Right back at you. I have also a question. Please tell us about your vlogging camera because people gossip about your famous vlogging camera. Just for fun, this question, lots of love. Who's gossiping about my cameras? Like, I mean, that's really funny. But मैं आपको अभी बता देती हूँ मोहम्मद मेरे vlogging cameras के बारे में. कभी-कभी मैं अपने iPhone से भी videos record करती हूँ. And because I need to show you which camera I'm actually using, मैं इससे record करूँगी. This is the DJI Osmo Pocket, which I also use to record most of my makeup vlogs. एक और है यहाँ पर जो मैंने लगा के रखा है. This is the Canon vlogging camera, which is 4K as well. Then I have another one. Oh God, this is like काम पे लगा दिया यार मुझे. आ जाओ. Here, this is my camera stuff. This is my DJI का pouch and holder. This is a Canon का cover, lens cap. I also have this GoPro Hero 12, which I use. मैं इसे बहुत underwater use करती हूँ. Of me scuba diving, snorkeling and all is all recorded on this. इसका casing, housing वो सब होता है, which I don't have over here because मुझे ज़रूरत नहीं है. But yeah. Yes. So ये था मेरा vlogging setup, मेरे cameras जिसके बारे में आपको बहुत curiosity थी. So now you have it, and if you're interested in any, I think I'll tag them in the description also below. आप वो links पे जाके you can get it for yourself as well. They're quite convenient and I'm very happy. Simple setup होता है, मैं खुद अपने आप कर लेती हूँ as you just saw. So yeah. It's fun. Links are in description. Next question is from Vinland Saga 1234. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry. Huh? What advice would you give to girls who are going to be married in 2026? My God, मैं कौन होती हूँ advice देने वाली? But I think ये आपकी life का सबसे बड़ा डिसीजन और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट डिसीजन होगा. तो प्लीज सोच प्लीज सोच समझ के लेना ये कॉल. आप जो अपना लाइफ पार्टनर चुनोगे वो आई थिंक ऐसा कोई शख्स होना चाहिए जिसके आप दोस्त बन सको एंड जिसे आप समझ सको, जो आपको समझ सके, जो आपको बदलना नहीं चाहे. दैट इज आई थिंक अ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट ऑफ बीइंग इन अ गुड रिलेशनशिप एंड अ गुड मैरिज. तो या आई थिंक द ओनली एडवाइस आई वुड गिव इज सोच समझ के. अगला सवाल है फ्रॉम सिमरा मिर्जा 1698. What was your favorite subject during school days? Lots of love to you. Thank you, Simra. Lots of love to you too. Okay, what was my favorite subject? My favorite subject was science. Many of you don't know, I'm quite nerdy and geeky. मुझे science वाली चीज़ें बहुत पसंद है. I love reading about the outer space, about planets, about the galaxies, about the universe. I love reading about animals, the earth, the ocean. When I was younger, I wanted to become a marine biologist also. And that's why I think my love for scuba diving also arises from that love for biology and for marine life and for the ocean. So yeah, science and biology definitely was my favorite subject in school. I was actually very upset. You know what? मैं science college में मैं भर्ती नहीं हुई क्योंकि मेरा maths इतना खराब था, and to get into a good science college you needed to have good math skills, which I did not have. So I could not do science because of my terrible math skills. So yeah, it's okay. I'm happy where life got me. Moving on. Next question is from Sahana Paleda. What's the one simple thing that instantly makes you smile even on a hectic shoot day? Very corny and cheesy answer मैं देने वाली हूँ, but I can't help it because it's the truth. A message or call from my husband. He really just knows how to put a smile on my face, and I think you guys are well aware of that. So yeah, as corny as it may sound, my husband puts a smile on my face. God bless him. I'm so lucky. अगला सवाल है from Deepika Mishra 3877 and Deepika is asking me a question which a lot of people ask me. What is my height? My height is 5'8", my friends. A lot of you get very surprised when I say that and when you find out that I'm 5'8". अगला सवाल है from Grace Voice 764. Before you stepped into acting, what was that childhood dream that still lives quietly in your heart? Do you still wish to fulfill it now? Oh, nice question. And also a similar question is from Epshita. She has like 5 A's in her name, so that's why the dramatics. But yeah, Epshita is also asking, what did you want to be in your childhood as profession? Yeah, it's pretty much the same. I wanted to be many things. At one point of time, I wanted to be an astronaut. At one point of time, like I told you, I wanted to be a marine biologist. At one point of time, I wanted to be a tennis player. At one point of time, I wanted to be a fashion designer, which is why I studied fashion designing for 3 years. And then I became an actor. So I've realized one thing, कि आप जो सोचते हो ना अपने लिए कभी-कभी होता नहीं है, and life has different plans for you. So better to just take it one day at a time, go with the flow, and see where life takes you. Yeah. And that's where I am. And that's it. We are done with the question. Thank you for sending your questions. Please send me more under this video in the comment section because I need to get more questions for episode 6. I know I've not been regular with this क्योंकि मैं shoot पर हूँ and I've not been getting that much time. But yeah, I try. Like today I had an off. हमारे पूरे crew का off था. धाड़ की shoot वैसे बहुत अच्छी चल रही है. I just wanted to give you an update on that. Anjali Meghwal will be back very, very soon on your screens. And until then, wait a little bit. Until then, I will try and do Fan Fridays as soon as I can. Oh, also because there was some skincare related questions, I think I shall do a giveaway for you guys once more. And I want to send you a nice hamper of Bioderma with the products that I use and a little bit more. So yeah, let's think of a nice question to ask you. ये सोचना पड़ेगा मुझे. रुक जाओ. Ow, ow, ow. Not a good idea. Kaata laga. Very, very bad idea. Oh my god. That went in my foot, ladies and gents. क्या क्या होता है आपके चक्कर में? Okay, I got it. What is the best skincare hack your mom told you about while you were growing up and you still remember and you still follow? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna get lots of answers for this, but there will be a lucky draw and that's how I choose all the winners. ये सारा luck का खेल है. Don't pounce on me. A lot of you send some really, really good answers, but then आपको बहुत बुरा लगता है जब कोई और giveaway जीत लेता है. I can't help it. I get so many replies और उसमें से मैं बस एक lucky draw करती हूँ. I like just jumble up all the names and I pull out one. So if your luck is good, you'll be the next winner. All the best! Oh, I gotta pick up everything. हो गया.